Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video I'm going to share with you guys an affordable straight hair wig from YYong Hair that you guys definitely can wear for an everyday, that you guys can wear to work, that you guys can wear to school. So if you guys are interested in knowing more about this glueless, already plucked and already darkened lace wig, make sure you guys stay tuned because I'm going to share all about that in this video, and let's begin. Okay guys, let's get started. So YYong Hair sent me the hair in this packaging here. It's just a cute tie bag. It's like satin-like tie bag. Now this is really good for organization because once you're not using the hair, you can definitely store the hair back in this bag and then put it up if you're not someone like me who likes hanging up all their wigs. So in the bag here, they gave me a wig cap and I'm wearing one right now, which is good for people who want to glue down their wigs. A little pamphlet here just gives you like hair care and what you get if you post photos of them on your social media. And then after, they give you the hair in a Ziploc bag here. Now I loved how they put the sticker on the bag and the size because I was able to know what brand it was for. This is a pre-made wig. So this is in the natural color and it's 24 inches from YYong Hair. I like hair lengths beyond 24 inches. So 24, 26. This is Swiss lace, I could tell just by looking at it. So I did cut so I did cut the lace already. I'm gonna insert a clip of me cutting it on an earlier date. So you just want to cut your lace off in a jagged smoosh, in a jagged line. Because you don't want your lace to be like super straight on your face, on your head, because no one's hairline is straight, right? So that's what I'm doing. And since this is going to be an everyday wig, I want to ensure that some days I can like style my hair back or put it up in a like half up, half down. But if you want this as an everyday, you can definitely like just glue this down and then wear it. Okay, let me cut this down. I have the scissors like the wrong way, which is weird. I think I cut this one too far back. Yeah, I was filming this video, but I just didn't like how I looked in it, so I didn't end up using that. I messed up on the ear tabs over here. Does that not just melt into my skin? And I'm not going to glue down the ear tabs. I'm going to show you guys the way. So imagine if I straighten it out. I really like this wig for an everyday. So what we're going to do is just style it, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to talk about the details of this, the customer service, everything like that. So let's get into styling. Their lace quality, it's really good. Trust me, I've tried a lot of laces and some of them can be a little bit thick. Now, one thing I'm definitely going to do is dye the hair jet black. I just like jet black. With this hair, you can definitely just wear it as this color. It's a pretty like darker brown. Now the hair, I forgot to tell you guys, but the hair is like really soft. Even without me like blow drying and straightening it, it's just really silky and soft, as you guys can see. And I feel like this is going to be like a 5-minute straightening because there's just not a lot of hair to straighten. I'm going to put on the screen the type of density that this is because I'm going to start buying wigs in this density, especially straight hair wigs. I just feel like the density is just really perfect for straight hair. It's not too thick that it looks wiggish and fake, but it's like thin enough that it just looks natural and just the right amount. So as you can see, I'm running my fingers through it. The hair does not tangle or anything like that. Okay, I'm just gonna use a hot comb and I'm gonna flatten out the top because we don't want a bulky. Okay, we're gonna put on the wig now. Straightening the wig was so easy. It took me like, what, 5 minutes? As you guys saw in the clip, I was blow drying it, but then I was like, wait, I don't see any difference unless I wasn't blow drying it properly. But I was like, okay, I don't really need to blow dry this first. All I need to do is just straighten it. The only thing is, I noticed that there's a lot of short hairs throughout the bundles, and it's not a big deal at all because that's usually what happens with virgin hair. But the thing is, when it's like that, your hair will have a lot of flyaways. So you guys have to keep that in consideration when it comes to buying. The only thing that I noticed is for the frontal, the sides for the parting space is super skinny and small. Front, like this middle part here is so much more bigger than the sides. Okay, so I want to show off that it's a frontal. And since this is a wig for like every day, I just feel like it's perfect because as you can see, it straightens well. And I know a lot of people want straight hair for an everyday look, for work, for school, for anything like that. And the thing is, like, the hair can be moved around so much that it won't get tangled or anything like that. So if you're in school a lot and you're moving your head around, having fun, which we usually do in school, you're not going to have to worry about it being tangled or anything like that. And same with work. If you're at a job where obviously you don't want to have your hair being stiff after a few hours of wearing it and shaking it up, this wig is also good. Again, this hair would blend in a little bit more if it was glued down, but I feel like it still looks good. It still looks good not being glued down. Okay, so I'm back from styling my hair. So basically what I went in and finished going up with doing is using the Pump It Up styling spritz, and I use that just to tame the flyaways because, as I told you guys, there's a lot of short hairs throughout the wig. All I did was spray this in my hand and then rub it and then put it at the top of my hair. I also went in with hairspray just to help shape and give volume to the front of the hair right here, and also to make my hair smell so good. This smells so good. I definitely recommend you guys purchasing this. This is the Tresemme Mega Firm Control Trez 2 spray, and you can get all this at your local beauty supply store. I got this in Jamaica at a haberdashery for like $300, or any drugstores you can get Tresemme as well. I left the baby hairs that came with the wig, just left it and let it like just hang loose because I feel like it looks a little bit more natural when baby hairs are just, I'm more of a minimal baby hair or just very none at all, and I felt like I just left the baby hairs that they gave with the wig. Just I let it loose, didn't put any styling spritz or gel on it. And yeah, so YYong Hair I would definitely recommend. I will give it 10 out of 10 for its straight hair. This is probably the best straight hair I've ever gotten. Like, it's just so silky, it's so easy to style, it's so quick to straighten. The only thing I would say is that the ends of the hair is just a little bit raggedy, but you can definitely trim that a little bit if you know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. I tried going over the ends and straightening it a lot to try and fix it, but I just feel like the ends just need a little bit more work. Highly recommend for beginners and people who want an everyday wig, whether you're going to school, work, or you just want an everyday, easy, natural wig. This is straight hair. I feel like a lot of people like wearing straight hair for when it comes to everyday wigs. The hair color is very nice, but as I told you, I'm going to dye it jet black, but I feel like this hair color on this wig is perfect for an everyday. Just color not too dark, not too brown. If you're a darker skin tone like I am, this lace works perfectly well. You can tint it a little bit more if you want, or bleach it just so it can match your hair color, but I feel like it was so easy to style. Like, I took it out of the box, it fit perfectly on my head, cut the lace to fit my hairline, and then I styled it, and it was all quick and easy. Now if you're someone who wants to glue down the lace and just wear it like that on a daily basis, you can definitely do that as well, and that would be perfect. Yeah, the hair is just so silky, it's smooth. I also didn't even receive no shedding at all from straightening it and from using the hot comb. There's no hairs that are just left out on the straightener or on the hot comb or even in my brushes, so the shedding is at minimal. So when you guys move your hair and stuff like that, it doesn't get stiff, back doesn't have any tangling, it doesn't stay in one place, so it's very like silky and smooth, so that's perfect for an everyday wig. Plus this hair is pre-plucked and pre-bleached. As you guys can see, I installed this hair without plucking anything at all. All I did was just style it, and this is how it looks styled on my head. And if you're someone who wants to go in and pluck it a little bit more, definitely do that. But I feel like for people who want an everyday wig that are beginners, they don't want to have to deal with all that. They don't have to deal with even putting as much time into their wigs, and I feel like this company really does everything for you, that all you have to do is just style it like how I did, and the wig fits me perfectly, so that's a double bonus. And this is how my hair looks glueless. Okay, I do definitely think this hair is worth the money that you're spending. Oh, and the lace is very like thin, it's very stretchy, and I feel like there's a lot of people out there in this world, they want a wig that's already does everything for you. YYong Hair, all the information is going to be down in the description box for you guys. I want you guys to check them out and see. This is their 24 inch lace frontal wig. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I do a lot more hair videos similar to this. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Au revoir.